In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal link in Brizy into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this walkthrough, I am using my WordPress demo page inside the Brizy editor. The button is managed in Brizy. The destination is a Brizy landing page that visitors should reach after clicking. Here's the button I want to track. Right now, it uses a normal direct link. That link sends visitors to the landing page, but it does not give me a simple ClickMagick report for this specific button. First, I will open the Brizy landing page in a new tab. This is the destination page people should see after they click. I will copy the direct link from the browser so I can use it inside ClickMagick. Now I will open ClickMagick and create a new tracking link. For the link name, I will use Brizy landing page demo. Then I will paste the Brizy landing page link into the destination field. This tells ClickMagick where to send visitors after recording the click. Now I will save the tracking link. ClickMagick gives me a new tracking link for this Brizy destination. I will copy it and return to the Brizy editor. Next, I will select the button on the WordPress demo page. I will replace the old direct link with the ClickMagick tracking link. The button text stays the same. The page design stays the same. Only the link behind the button has changed. Now I will update the page and open the live version. I will click the Brizy button once to create a test click. The same Brizy landing page opens, so the destination is correct. Now I will return to ClickMagick and refresh the Smart Links report. The test click is now showing. This is where I can see how many clicks this Brizy link receives. The main report shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net profit, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment. Inside the click details, I can review the clicks per day chart, link view, referrer, sub-ID 1, unique click status, IP address, country flag, and timestamp. Now, the Brizy button on my WordPress demo page gives me clear click data inside ClickMagick. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.